In this video, I'll show you how to attach an email to another email in Outlook. If you want to send one email inside another email, Outlook lets you do that by attaching the original message as an item. Microsoft's support pages describe this as forward as attachment for a selected message. And in classic Outlook, there is also an attach item greater than Outlook item option when you are composing a message. That means you can either attach an existing email while writing a new one, or quickly forward a message so it appears as an attachment instead of regular forwarded text. In the new Outlook experience, one easy method is to select the email from your message list, then go to the main ribbon and choose More Respond Actions, and then Forward as Attachment. Microsoft says this opens a new email with the selected message attached to it. After that, just add your recipient, type your message, and send it like a normal email. If you are using Classic Outlook for Windows and you are already writing a new email, there is another method. Start a new message, then go to Home or Message, choose Attach File, then Attach Item, and then Outlook Item. Microsoft lists Attach Item greater than Outlook Item as the option for attaching an email message, which is helpful when you want to pick a message from one of your Outlook folders and include it inside the email you are writing. Another simple option in Outlook Desktop is to drag and drop. Open a new email, then drag the message you want from your inbox or another folder into the message window. Outlook usually adds it as an attached Outlook item, which is useful if you want a faster way to include one or even several messages. Microsoft also notes that if multiple messages are selected, Outlook can open a new message with those selected emails attached. If you only want to attach one message and make sure it stays in its original email format, forward as attachment is usually the cleanest method. This keeps the original message intact as an attachment instead of placing the full conversation directly into the body of the new email. That can be especially useful for sharing support emails, approvals, receipts, or message threads with someone else. So the easiest way is this. Either select the email and choose forward as attachment, or start a new email and use attach item greater than Outlook item to insert the message manually. Both methods let you send an email as an attachment in Outlook. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.